Hello guys, it's Aya here.
And Amit.
Today we're gonna post things. So let's get started and open it. Before we open it, you must subscribe, like and share this video. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the front. I accidentally opened it in the other side. The other side looks like this in the back. Emma, do you want to take everything out of this place?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, these are the brains. I don't know what we're gonna do with brains.
Ooh, shit.
No, this is the part where. Okay, so we got something that I don't know. Some goggles, a cup, and some goggles. You something there? Oh, you there. Back. There's some green color and there's some yellow color and there's instruction
And it's a mix.
science instruction booklet and warning, not suitable for children under 7 years, for using under adult supervision. So let's get started. There's Ahmed Lou, because he was not too interested into the yucky gross thing. So I am going to make what is it? Okay, I'm gonna make when you fall down you hurt yourself. I'm gonna make that with some disgusting things. I really don't want to put them on my hand. Look guys, it's this. Okay, I will have to put this on my skin first. So guys, this is made already. Now I have to put I have to put a little bit of Vaseline on here. If there's any. I have to put it right here where I want my wound. Tap it. And I have to put a little bit more. If there's any. Okay. Ooh. I feel like this is going to be a disgusting thing. Because tap, 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 tap. Okay. Now I've done the tap. So now I'm going to put... Hey, I can't pick it up. Now I'm going to put these disgusting things. I have to put one more so it can be two. Okay, now... Oh, guys, I know many people don't like this gross activity, but I have spent money on this, so I got to do it. I can't waste money. So this is a fun activity, but kind of gross. I got these thingies on. Now I'm going to put this on to make it like blood. Ugh. It kind of looks like jam. So guys, we put the maggots on and we put the red blood on. So it's time to show you every one of you, what it actually grossly looks like. Eat it. I really want to take this off, but I have to show people. Like my brother, like Emmett. Okay, now we have got 2 more to do. Next thing, I don't know what we're going to make. I'm going to see. We can make some eyeballs or something else. There is... Oh, so I am making eyeballs. Okay, so I got these things. It must be inside here or it must be somewhere else. And it's green. And you put some... And you put black thing, which is inside this packet. There's a little thing, but I already put it inside here. And then you put a little bit of eyeball powder blue inside here. And now you just get a cup of water and put it the right way. If it's not the right way, it will just spill everywhere and then it will be failed. This is a tricky one. It's hot. So I just have to hold it like this. Guys, I'm pretty scared about this. I'm scared of everything like this too. It's disgusting. I still haven't removed it because I have to show my dad. And we have to put this little green thing in the cup. Make sure all of the powder doesn't go out because then you have a failure. And so we wait for 3 minutes and then it'll be done, I think. But there's more stages to make an eyeball too. I wonder what we're actually going to make with an eyeball, like pretend our eyeball come down. Of the eyeball powered white into this jar, so I have to be careful because we made the pupil. Yeah. So I put my goggles on and now I have to put all of it inside. Not all of it, like until it reaches here. Then I have to stop. It's a little bit scary. I have to put something underneath. There's nothing to put underneath. I have to make sure it doesn't fall. All of the white stuff doesn't fall out. I have to hold it for a while, and then I can let go. But then this will need the same time, like 3 minutes. It will need 3 minutes too. So I'll see you in 3 minutes. Eyeball, after 5 minutes, the eyeball have been done. I have to open it gently. I'm gonna be quiet, please. I'm too scared because I think I might be failed. Like other YouTubers have buy these Gross Science, and I think other YouTubers have failed these. It's like it sticks together. Oh, it's so good. Oops. We can't make this again because we don't have that little black thing. I'm just too scared, guys. Should I be brave? Okay, no, I think I might want someone else to do it. Guys, my eyeball fell out. Please help. Okay, I'm gonna put it back. See? It come back. Just kidding, guys. The one we made is similar. No, it's not similar. Look, it's similar to this one. See, guys? Guys, if you made this eyeball, you will feel like it will feel like it's sticky. Yeah, because it's actually really sticky and gross. So this is what it actually looks like. And it's all white. The only part of blue and black is this part because I hope you enjoyed our Gross Science experiment that we just made. I will earn some fun, and I hope you enjoyed that. So I will see you later. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I think I said that before. But see you later. Bye.